So thank you for clicking into my video anyway in the first place. And if you haven't already, if you subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. So this is my look for today's video. It was inspired by Plouise. Just with the kind of like, so it's like a cut crease, but it's kind of like floating away. So I thought it was kind of cool. I'm gonna start off with my brows. The NYX pencil in ash brown. Going in with Select Cover Up in NW, but it's a MAC 252 brush. Shade from blend brush, just a little fluffy brush. This is a BB22. So I just kind of cleaned it up with this brush and I just kind of went around the corners, the outside, just to kind of blur it out a little bit more. So just going to build up a bit more colour. And then I'm just going back in with this. This is a BB08 brush. And now I'm going in with the next Inglot colour, which is this one. Back in with this guy and just just blend that out. These guys are some Melchior eyeshadows. In with this guy and the brown, which is called Old Brick. Same brush again. Just gonna go into the crease mainly and just buff it up again. So I'm gonna cut the crease with my Inglot 11S brush. I usually use this as a lip brush. Can y'all see that?
You got to believe. 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 You got to believe.
The MAC Peaches. I'm just going to take it on the 252. I'm going to use a Peaches and Cream pigment. This is Starlight. This is what I use on myself all the time because it's really easy. It's the Essence Liquid Ink. Really small crown C326 brush. I'm just going to smudge that out. Studio Fix. This is NC20. I know it's a little bit light, but I kind of like to go lighter and then bronze up. I'm putting it on with a crown brush, a crown blusher brush. I just like the way it kind of spreads with the blusher brush. And define, and this one is C5. Here with MAC Dark Tan. So now I'm gonna go in with, I got the Be Perfect palette. So I'm going to go in with the Sculpt, deepen the contour a little bit. And then for highlight, I'm just going to use MAC Oh Darling, and this is a Nima brush, Nima the Erin. Cool, so now I'm gonna go underneath my eyes and really just use the same colors that I used before and just smoke it all out. So I'm gonna go in with a pencil. And this is the Push pencil, Push makeup pencil in Black Caviar. This crown brush, this is the C510, yeah. And I'm gonna go back in with the Melchior Brown Old Brick and just set that on it. So now I'm gonna go in with Penny's lip liner in Desert Sand. I just go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in 31. So if anybody has any questions of anything that I did that I forgot to mention, if you just want to leave me a comment and I will get back to you about it. I know I mightn't have shown everything that I used in the video, but hopefully I did most of it. So if you have any questions, just let me know.